Hey everybody, it's Kit again. Just wanted to check in with you and let you know a couple things that are really important to know right now. First of all, we are closing fast. So you probably have talked to some friends or some family that are struggling to get an offer accepted in this market. It's going crazy. Everybody's offering on homes. There's 20, 30, 40 offers on a single home. And so a lot of times what's happening is cash offers are winning. People are coming in, they can pay with cash because that helps the process close faster. And so we are closing just as fast. Cash deals, they take some time to do inspections, go through the process, wire funds, and that usually takes a couple weeks. And so we are competing with that, and we're making our offers for people that need to get financing as aggressive, where we're closing in 2 weeks, and we're just trying to be as aggressive as we can to help as many people as possible. So point being, if you know somebody else that is also in that situation, please let them know that that we're moving super quick and being very aggressive that way to help people win offers. So, other thing that's more important than that even is something that I went to a seminar this last week, and it was amazing. A lot of inspirational things that are focused a lot around business. And one of the things that was said that really stood out to me was something along the lines of, are we giving our family our best self? A lot of times we come to work, it's the beginning of the day, we've got all that energy, and we leave it all on the table, and we just, put everything into our work environment, and then we go home, we're exhausted, and the people that we love most, that we care about the most, we're not giving them our best selves. So that really jumped out to me. That's something that I try to focus on. I'm not great at all the time, but was a good reminder for me, so that when I go home, that I'm trying to be a lot more intentional, be present, have the energy, not just kill myself at work all day long and have nothing for my kids or for my wife, but to really be present, have enough energy left over, delegate enough at work so that I'm not taking it all on and I'm exhausted at the end of every single day, but giving our best selves to the people that are most important in our lives. So there's your thought of the day. Hopefully that has some impact on you like it did for me. If I can do anything else for you, please feel free to reach out anytime, and I will talk to you soon.